Here is the backbone of the infantry's firepower. Machine guns. When your target is out there 300 yards away, accuracy really counts. In this test, each weapon will fire 30 rounds. First, the American Light 30 on the bipod. Next, the American Heavy 30 on the tripod. Now the German 34 on the bipod. And last, the German 42 on the tripod.
D's. Fire.
The films, or American training films, really had to do a lot to try and get American infantrymen to believe that this gun wasn't quite as effective as everyone really thought it was. That was kind of a losing battle. This was an excellent gun, so.
At that high rate of fire. It eats up ammunition. Almost 3 times as fast as our own machine guns.
What was that? Nazis.
I don't care if it's Hitler's personal pleasure cruiser. This is the only ship that we've came across in the last...
Keep your voice down.
He's right, Captain. The Russians are done.
We got to get off this raft. Simple as that, Captain.
You know what I think is strange?
Come on, Captain. Hey, why don't we just throw overboard?
Oh, enough!
All this fighting and shouting.